bacon. I'm like, do you want to have sex? I will cut your shit.
Cut your shit.
Oh my god, Junior was so pissed off at work the other day.
Why?
I have no idea. He just didn't want to be there. Because it was probably because everyone was starting their outs way too early. And it was only me and him working for a little bit.
Oh.
Everyone else was going off cleaning and doing stuff so they can hurry up and leave. And he was making 3 stations himself.
I fucking hate that. They do that at Quaker Steak too.
He swears by Quaker Steak though. He loves that place.
They pay really well, and the bosses are really nice.
Yeah.
It's just shit work, you know?
Yeah, no.
It's shit work.
They pay decent at beat-ups, but...
How much you make?
I'm making 10.
Really? I just got $10.50. I got a raise.
I don't think I've been there long enough for a raise yet.
No.
But raises there are usually 75 cents. Because Skylar just got his raise.
Well, that's nice, right? 75 cents? Better than that.
And Skylar's been there a few months.
We'll see. I've been there for 6 months, and I just got my raise. Almost a year. But I'm only working 4 days too. I won't let them overwork me. I'm like, if I work any more than 8 hours, fuck you. I won't.
They made me work 10 hours yesterday.
Just tell them I can't do 10 hours, guys.
They made me work a double yesterday.
Fuck out.
I actually enjoyed myself though. I don't know why.
Because you worked with a sexy guy all day.
There's that, yeah.
Junior's not that good looking.
Not
It
Junior.
wasn't Junior.
Oh.
It was John. But no, even if he wasn't there, it wasn't all that bad. It was a Sunday. Sunday's real slow.
Sundays are busy at Quaker Steak because all the church people come because they got all the fucking coupons.
They come there too, but they weren't making really hard orders. They were just making wings. We almost ran out of wings entirely though.
That does happen. It's happened at Quaker Steak before. We ran out of wings, out of steak. How do you run out of fucking steak?
Quaker Steak.
You want me to keep a spare cow on the back?
I know.
Love it.
Alright, Betsy. Time to take your leg. Sorry.
That was cool.
What?
She just like popped it out. I'm just seeing new things today.
Do you see why I always cook with Mika? Apparently I have the palate to be a cook anyway.
It's because I groomed that palate, bitch. I made you!
I know, but every time she makes something, it's like, here, what do you taste?
Mushrooms seem so easy to cut.
They are. They're pretty much air filled. What it feels like. Cut like butter.
See, look at that. And then it's all hollow on the inside.
You okay there?
I'm so easily amused.
Oh, damn, you lost your finger off.
She about to damn near whack your finger off. What? No, don't whack me off.
I want to get my own knife set.
You pulled your hand away. I was going for your finger. Knife sets are expensive though.
My God.
Like really expensive.
No.
Why? Are you guys looking at getting some?
We're gonna need one.
No, like I'm talking like a professional grade knife set.
Oh no, yeah. I've already seen this on how they cost. They're hundreds of bucks. They're expensive.
I almost need it for work because we don't ever have a fucking sharp knife.
Oh, I guess that's the one thing I can say that B-Dubs has. We have an entire wall filled with sharp knives.
Oh my God.
Oh.
Anyone can use the sharp knife.
Yeah, pretty much.
What are you doing?
He's recording video.
Recording your masterpiece in what?
I didn't even know he's been recording video.
I know.
How long has it been recording for?
4 minutes.
Oh my god.
5 minutes is about the allotted time in the YouTube video.
So you dice all your peppers, your
10 minutes
onions,
is
and
max,
your
but 5
mushrooms,
minutes
and
is
then
where
you
it should
just
be.
saute them in a pan with about 2 tablespoons of butter.
A day long
And
now.
then wait until they're done.
It depends on how much. So, the more you post videos, the longer your time gets.
Yeah.
The longer your allotted time is.
Except the one guy with affirmative